What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to decrease the space between items in your Windows 11 File Explorer. This should be quite an easy tutorial. Everything you need will be listed in the description below. Open up your File Explorer. Here, click on this Layout and View Options menu and select Compact View. As you can see, this will change your spacing between files back to normal. In case this option reverts back after restarting your PC, then you will have to make a change in your File Explorer folder options. Click on these three dots and in your drop-down menu, select Options. On this window, under View, you have the option to enable the Decrease Space Between Items option. This will in turn have the same effect as using the integrated folder option. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.